Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Khan Academy and Coursera. Khan Academy and Coursera both offer excellent online learning, but they differ in their structure and offerings. Khan Academy is a free online educational platform that offers lessons in a wide range of subjects, from math and science to history, art, and even personal finance. Its learning approach is self-paced, allowing users to work through lessons at their own speed. However, focus is more on basic educations, so may not cater as much to professionals seeking career advancement. Coursera is an online learning platform offering courses and degree programs in partnership with top universities and organizations worldwide. Courses on Coursera are taught by university professors or experts, and the platform offers a mix of free and paid content. However, many courses require payment if you want certificates or access to full features. In my opinion, Coursera is better for certificates and degrees, while Khan Academy is better for free basic learning. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.